What we will discuss today is our project household alarm system for our first sprint. Our team consists of the following people, presented above. The problem that our team is trying to solve is to ensure people's home security is well protected. This is achieved by using a passive infrared sensor to detect motion from unwanted people entering the home. Currently, there are a large amount of attempted and successful break-ins. Our motive is to reduce the amount of break-ins and make people feel more safe in their homes. After the completion of Sprint 1, it was discovered that the coverage of a single motion sensor was insufficient for most use cases, so more sensors were added. Our solution is to implement 3 passive infrared systems to monitor for intruders external to the customer's household and trigger an audible alarm if motion is detected within range. The homeowner will have the ability to enable and disable the alarm through a keypad located inside the premise. Once triggered, the audible alarm will sound until it is disabled via the keypad. In order to improve the coverage of the alarm system, we added 2 more motion sensors. This greatly improved the area that was being monitored by the alarm system, increasing its efficiency and effectiveness.
The system is broken up into 3 sections: sense, think, and act. In the sense section, the system has to detect whether motion is present. If there's no motion present, the alarm does nothing. If there is motion present, then it moves on to the think section of the system. It then has to think whether the alarm is enabled or not. If it isn't, then it does nothing as well. But if the alarm is enabled, then the buzzer starts to sound.
In our household alarm system prototype, we are using 3 passive infrared motion detectors. The sensors will be responsible for detecting the raw input of motion for further use and processing by the program and sketch. The other sensing element of this project will be the key code input from the user to disable the alarm. The number of sensors can be scaled to the customer's unique situation.
Hi, my name is Hussein. So today I'll be talking about the thinking aspect of the project. Alright, so the thinking element of this project is to respond to the received inputs from the field devices. In this case, the field device is used for the motion sensors and the keypad. Upon receiving a notice of motion from the PIR sensor, the sketch decided that the appropriate action to undertake and send signal to sound alarm. A similar process is undertaken for the keypad. The sketch receives the user input code and compares it to the register code in its logic. If the code matches, a signal will be sent out to disable the alarm.
The acting element of the project simply responds to a signal provided by the think process. If motion has been detected, a signal will be sent to sound an alarm. Sounding the alarm is the action. Likewise, with the keypad, if the think process matches the user input code to the accepted code, the action is to disable the alarm. Motion is detected from the PIR sensor, then the buzzer will sound. If the correct passcode is entered, the buzzer is then disabled and the alarm is disabled for 10 seconds. After this 10 seconds, the alarm can now sense motion again.